Food is how I am able to show family and friends my love for them. Everyone loves Toasties, and it's something that I'm really passionate about. I just make mine a bit more gourmet than your average ham, cheese, tomato. Hi, I'm Tim Bone from Tim's Toasties. Welcome to Michael Unwin Winery. Today, we are showcasing the magnificent Matador Tempo Portable Barbecue, and we're going to be making some toasties. First off, what I'm calling the breakfast club. So we're starting with some magnificent sourdough that I picked up from my local bakery this morning. Local bacon, some free-range eggs, some king oyster mushies that we're going to slice up and grill on the barbie, and then I've got a beautiful local cheese that we're going to pair it with, and some spinach. Let's go. So I've got some beautiful streaky bacon from my local charcuterie, Salt Kitchen, here in Ballarat. It's amazing that you've got the grill and then you've got the flat plate as well, so you can do your eggs and different things like that aren't going to fall through the grill plate. Bacon, it just makes me so happy. Break the yolks. You want that all nice and mixed through. My style of cooking is just good, simple, hearty cooking, but just getting as much flavour into your food as you can. And I think that's where the Matador grill is fantastic. I think when you're camping or you're at a picnic, utilising what you've got, you can get some amazing flavour in a different way. Some of our beautiful tomato relish. Look at that. Listen to this. That's the sound you want to hear from a good toastie. Nice and crispy. Oh, have a look at that. Look at that beautiful colour. The cheese is all nice and melty. I'm hungry. I always finish with a little sprinkle of salt. So guys, that's breakfast sorted. Let's move on to lunch. Okay, round two in the Matador Toastie extravaganza, the posh spice. So it's almost like my take on a cheese board toastie. Nice and thick. Our prosciutto, I just want to chuck that on the barbie just for a couple of minutes, just so it gets a bit crispy. That prosciutto's smelling so good. So this prosciutto, just by grilling it for a couple of minutes, it's become nice and crispy, and just the flavour's going to be so amazing. Rock it on there. All right, time for the posh spice to hit the grill. Last little flourish because, hey, it's called the posh spice toastie after all. And the honey will really help to cut through the richness and saltiness from the prosciutto. All right, guys, there you have it. My posh spice toastie. Little tipple of this. Happy days. This is called the Veggo Delight. A beautiful vegetarian toastie. Meat lovers won't even miss the meat. I want to get some nice slices of our pumpkin sourdough. Next up, we've got the humble eggplant. When you grill eggplant on the barbecue, you just get the most amazing flavour, and I love it. We'll slice up our cheese. It's got a rich flavour, but super creamy as well, which is really going to pair well with our grilled veggies. let's have a look inside. Guys, I don't know about you, but I would prefer that over a snag on the barbie any day of the week. Don't forget that little sprinkle of salt on top. Bon appetit. All right, guys, there you have it. The Matador BBQ makes some amazing toasties. All right, I'm out of here. We'll see who wants a toastie.